I've dampened it. I'm going to apply the Ayurvedic bits first. So I'm gonna dampen it some more. Just some plain water. And then I'm gonna apply the Ayurvedic powder paste. And this is how it looks. It's like a mud, like literally it's like a mud. It's like a mud. Don't know. Yeah. So to damp hair, I just apply the Ayurvedic powder on until the hair is saturated. And I just work it through my hair. And that's what I see, that's what I'm talking about it, the stretch. It's literally straight on application and it stays straight apart from the ends. But the length of the hair is literally just straight up and down, as you can see. And this is why I think it affects the curl pattern. As you saw when it was dry, it doesn't seem to be permanent. But that's the effect it has. So that's that. So that's pretty quick. I've also decided not to apply the Chebe in a paste form because I don't like the way it applies, and I don't think I can get as much of the benefit from the Chebe powder applying it in a paste form. So I'm going to go back to how I usually do it in a layered method. So dampening the hair, applying the oil, applying some Chebe, and then layering it as I see fit. So I'm going to rinse off the Ayurvedic powder paste, and then I'm going to apply my Chebe. So now I'm just going to rebraid my hair. And so as I said before, I just get some stray piece of braiding hair. I'm going to make it smaller this time. And I'm going to wrap it around my hair as if I was African threading, which is pretty much technique, only with stray hair. So I take the hair that's in excess length of my hair, place it at the root, and then I start wrapping. It's pretty much that simple. I feel like if my hair wasn't braided, it'd be a bit better. But it is braided, so it's gonna be thick. Thicker than a mug. It's still a bit damp and I'd normally just rather it be dry, but it's getting dark, the battery's running out, and I just want to be done with this whole process. Get the video done and dusted. So here I've got the hair, combed it out, recycling again, don't judge me. And I'm just gonna braid it. Up like here. I'll just cover the hair and just braid. I did make one mistake with the braiding is I was meant to braid this part that direction so it doesn't pull on my roots, but I might do that off camera or another day. Or I might do it another day actually. It's carnival this weekend, so I might want to braid in some yarn into my hair, so it's like it's got a bit of a pop of colour. I've only got red yarn and green yarn, so I might just do that. So I'm just going to finish this braid here. It's a little bit lopsided, whatever. But there's, okay, let me just show. Minimal powder. So that's all done. Again, a bit bent, a bit crooked, but it's fit for purpose. And that is how I first of all apply the Chebe powder underneath my hair, underneath box braids, and I'll leave that in my hair for 5 days. But I might actually stretch it for 2 weeks and see how that works, and then I have the braids in my hair for 2 weeks, take it out, wash it out, put the Chebe back in, put it in. Just depends on how much work it's, because I always be rebraiding my hair as time goes on, so it's just that extra bit of doing the African threading around it. But once I get the hang of trying to make the actual braid nice and smooth, I don't see why not. You can't put the Chebe in your hair under box braids. And this is how it looks. And I guess it will even look better if they were all consistent. So if these weren't so smooth and neat compared to these being all manky and discombobulated and fragmented and whatever word it is for chaos, it may actually look better if they were all the same. at the top, it could actually look like a style. You know, it could look like a look. But this is it in my hair. And so I'd record another video in about 5 days of me taking it out and comparing the Ayurvedic powder and the Chebe powder after 5 days, not 11 days. And that's the hair. So that's the end of the video. Hopefully you found it useful or informative in some way, shape or form. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in following my Chebe journey, hair journey, or just life journey. Like and share if you'd be so inclined, and tune in next time. Bye.